Today we're looking at part number 4754. This is your trailer spindle castle nut for your 2k axles all the way through your 8,000 pound axles. This is a 6 slot, meaning it has 6 different positions that you can put the cotter pin in in order to tighten it down. This is a real standard castle nut. You see them on all these smaller axles, 2k, 3,500 pound, 4,400, 52, 6,000, 7,000, and 8,000 pound axles. So real standard right here. And we'll just measure it real quick. So the outer diameter is going to be 1.46 inches. And even though the book and everybody says it's a 1 inch inner diameter for a 1 inch spindle, it's actually, if you measure it, it's actually only 0.93 inches. So standard castle nut for most of your smaller axles. My Dexter's part number is 006-001-00. Redneck's part number is 165686. Old school New Era part number is 27-057. And Rockwell American's part number is 4756. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.